Once upon a time, in a charming little town where the sun always seemed to shine a little brighter, there was a boy named Tim. Tim was a likable lad, always dreaming up new adventures. But he had a little problem. He kept putting things off until tomorrow, and then the next day, and the next. One sunny day, while wandering through the town square, Tim spotted a small shop nestled between the bakery and the toy store. It looked cozy and inviting, with a sign that said, "The Magical Timekeeper's Shop." Curiosity getting the best of him, Tim pushed open the door and stepped inside. The air was filled with the smell of old books and something mysterious. On the counter sat a gleaming hourglass, its sand shining like gold. "Hello, young traveler," said a friendly voice. Tim turned to see an old man with twinkling eyes. "Are you here to discover the magic of time?" Tim nodded eagerly, his curiosity sparked. The old man smiled and gestured to the hourglass. "Take a closer look, my boy. This hourglass holds the power to shape destinies." With shaky hands, Tim picked up the hourglass and flipped it over. As the sand began to trickle down, the old man's voice filled the air. "Time is precious, young one. Each moment is a chance to do something amazing." In that moment, Tim felt something stir inside him, a feeling of realization and determination. He saw all the times he'd let opportunities slip by, and he knew he wanted to change. From that day on, Tim embraced each moment with excitement. No more putting things off. Instead, he chased his dreams with all his might, enjoying every adventure along the way. Years passed, and Tim grew into a wise and adventurous young man. He traveled far and wide, spreading joy wherever he went. And though he had many grand adventures, he always carried the hourglass with him, a reminder of the magic of time. So, my dear friends, remember the story of Tim and the magical timekeeper, for it teaches us that each moment is special, and it's up to us to make the most of it.